Navigate to the Kishwaukee Library webpage. Scroll down and select Looking for Library Resources. Click on the list of online databases hyperlink. Navigate to the PrepSTEP hyperlink on our A to Z databases page. The link is located under the heading for the letter P. You will be asked to log in if you are not already signed into your Kish account. Each knowledge area is broken into different subjects. Click Algebra to be taken to the page for that subject. Under the Algebra heading, you will find the different activities available for that subject. Navigate back to the home page for PrepSTEP. Hover over the arrow next to where it says Logged In and select My Center. Your progress in different PrepSTEP activities can be found here.